here, Jake. I'm doing some Videogate in the wallet.
Well, I got some Videogate rolling right now, man. I just started again. But that old John Deere's got my ears locked up around the desert, no doubt about it, man. But I'm going to say good evening around the Thunderdome, man. 358 around the desert of California with this Videogate rolling. Come on.
Yeah, what you doing? Yes, Big Thunder with no numbers in beautiful Victoria, Virginia. I wish you well. Happy Father's Day to you, too. Big Thunder's out.
Roger D, Big Thunder, and John Deere. Roger D, Big Thunder, and John Deere, no doubt about it, man. Both you guys are sounding real good out here, but that old John Deere's definitely got it locked down. But hey, John Deere, Big Thunder, if you guys want to check out that Videogate, man, I'll put it up on YouTube. You can check it under 358 Videogates, and then just type in your name, man, and it'll come right up. Anyways, Big Thunder, no numbers. John Deere, 358 around the desert of California with the evening time wave. And that's a John Deere Roger. You have yourself a good one. And I'm going to wave my hand again and say Happy Pappy's Day back to you and Big Thunder. No doubt about it, man. You guys take it easy and have a good evening. Me and this old broken down Cobra radio around the desert. Back quiet.
But that old broken Cobra real good. But that broken down Cobra 2000 sounded real good. That's so hard. So one Cobra 2000, bye.
Hey, John Deere, I wish I could say it was a 2000, man, but this is old Cobra 142, man. This is an old Cobra 142, man. It's one of my favorite radios. I prefer this 142 over most radios, no doubt about it, man. Got this big old M106 about 5 feet off the peak of my roof looking out east. What you think?
Yeah. Sound real good. Everybody sound real good. I heard on 442 out of Hawaii, you up in that 47. All right, y'all, take care. We got to be my last
Roger D, John Deere. All right, man. Well, hey, definitely a pleasure on this end, no doubt about it, man. You take it easy, take care. And me and this bad Kojak technology around the desert's back quiet. Well, if you're still out there reading the mail, Big Thunder, you have yourself a good one and a good rest of the week. 358 in the desert, back quiet.